Hello everyone, this is a book for those interested in Trinidadian Orisha worship. It's Praising His Name in the Dance, Spirit Possession in the Spiritual Baptist Faith and Orisha Work in Trinidad, West Indies by Harvard Academic Publishers, authored by Kenneth Anthony Lum. This was written a few years ago, let me see, year 2000. And it's a nice ethnography of Orisha traditions. Here's the table of contents. Quite comprehensive. He talks about the Kabbalistic spirits, the various deities and instruments used in practice. And he does bring in a lot of references when he discusses and analyzes the data. The rare spirits. This one might be a little bit hard to get hold of, but it's well worth it. No photos, unfortunately. In the back there's a few songs. And I hope you'll check it out. Thank you.